Okay, we've got our piece that's all pressed to the center. Now what we're going to do is get out a lobster clasp. And I think this one goes the best with this one. So you're going to slide it on. Kind of check it, make sure it works good. Put it about in the middle. And then put a clip on either side of it. With those edges meeting good. And then we're going to take it, and that's the right side, and we're going to open it up. We're going to put right sides together, like so. And we're going to sew that end up. So just open up those seams. Pin it good. Oops. And then we're going to take a 3/8 inch seam right there. Okay. I have taken my arm off this extension board to where I'll be able to fit that around. In just a second, I'll show you. The edge of my presser foot is 3/8 inches, so that's what I'm going to take. Going to back stitch at the beginning and the end. And you're going to take it and kind of finger press that seam open. And you're going to refold it with those seams open on those press lines that are still there. Now what I like to do right there on that seam where it's thicker, doesn't everybody have a pair of pliers in their sewing room? I kind of smash that down, that seam down to where it will be, you can go over it easier. Okay. And you're going to pin it. Gonna get all those edges even. Okay, so see, you have this round keychain, and we're gonna start, you've got that clasp there. We're gonna start on that seam, and we're gonna slide it over our little arm. Look at there, just enough room. You kind of want to make sure that clasp is not going to catch on your machine underneath. You're going to take 1/8 of an inch seam allowance on this whole side and this whole side. back stitch. And I'm just following 1/8 of an inch on my presser foot. Take the clips off as you go. Go ahead and take that one pin off. And you're just going to slide this lobster clasp around as you go. Got a clip under there that was making it uneven. Okay. Just make sure all your edges are lined up. Now you're just going to slide it on the other way. I'm going to start on that seam again. Go all the way around. Okay, then you're going to clip all your little threads off. Have a thread cutter, but it still leaves these little ends. Okay, now you're going to take right where that seam was. You guys see that? And you're going to fold it. You can kind of feel the end of that seam right there. You're going to fold down 3/4 of an inch from that seam, or thereabouts. And then you're going to slide that clasp down right there. And then we're going to sew on both sides of that seam. So you can put your zipper foot on now if you want, or you can just put your end of your presser foot there to where it's not going to be on that. Now it's real thick, you guys. I hope you got a denim needle in. And then we're just going to move our needle position over. See my needle jumping? And it'll be about 1/4 of an inch on either side of that seam. You can tell about where another 1/4 inch away there is. going crazy. There you have it, guys. Now, wasn't that fast and easy?